Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is pharmacy profession. I will explain what is pharmacy profession and some ethics which were framed by PCI. I will explain in this topic. Okay, going to topic, what is pharmacy profession? It is a noble profession. That means it is having a high moral values. It is indirectly heals the person to get well with the help of medical practitioners, that is nothing but physicians and co-professionals, with the help of medication, that means drugs. A part of earning money, this profession of pharmacy is having a inherent in it, that is attitude of service and sacrifice in the interest of suffering humanity. The government of India restricted the practice of pharmacy to only the professional pharmacists, that is registered pharmacists, under the Act of Pharmacy Act 1948. And PCI framed some ethics to the Indian pharmacist, and the ethics are categorized into the following headings, that is pharmacist in relation to his job, pharmacist in relation to his trade, pharmacist in relation to his medical profession, and pharmacist in relation to his profession. When going to pharmacist in relation to his job, the pharmacist should follow some code of ethics, which are pharmaceutical services, conduct of pharmacy, handling of prescription, handling of drugs, and apprentice pharmacist. Now going to pharmaceutical services. That is that the medical shop or the pharmacy should be registered under the PCI, Pharmacy Council of India, and the emergency and the common drugs which were required to the patient should be delivered within a time without any delay. And the conduct of pharmacy. This is the errors of contamination which were occurred in manufacturing, distribution and sale, that should be checked in the medical shop. Handling the prescription, that is the prescription which is received from the patient should be delivered without any comments on it. If we comment on the prescription, that may cause the anxiety in the patient. To reduce the anxiety in the patient, we should not comment on the prescription and we should deliver the drugs without any comment. And no change of prescription. We never do any change in the prescription without the consent of the prescriber. And if any change of the prescription should be suggest the patient to refer back to the prescriber. Handling of drugs. That is, in prescription we should deliver the correct quality of drugs and excipients, and also we never encourage the abused drugs supply to anyone. Apprentice pharmacist is a pharmacist who is having a minimum qualification of intermediate, and the experienced person should provide all the facilities for practical training. Unless the person proves he has a perfect, the certificate should not be granted. Pharmacist in relation to his trade. In this, the code of ethical points are price structure, fair trade practice, purchase of drugs, advertisements and displays, hacking of drugs. Going to price structure. In this, the price on the medicines or the drugs should be in a reasonable and with a highly quantity, and the labor of the persons who work in the pharmacy should have the minimum knowledge on it. And the fair trade practice. In this, we never should do the attempt of capturing the other pharmacist's business by offering gifts or the prizes. Order came by mistake should be referred to the right place, and the labels, trademarks and other symbols or the signs on of the same should not be imitated or copied. Purchase of drugs. We always purchase the drugs from the genuine and the reputed source, and we also never help to manufacture or to sell the substandard drugs. Advertisements and displays. No article and the preparation should be advertised at the pharmacy premises and in press and else anywhere. Hacking of drugs. And we also never encourage the drugs or order of drugs for door-to-door supply and self-services without any physician, without any consent of the certain physician. We never do the self-services by which may causes the very dangerous effects, the theoretical effects on the patient. Pharmacist in relation to his medical profession. Code of ethical points are limitations of the professional activity, clandestine arrangement, relations with the public. Limitations of the professional activity. This is the professional activity of the medical practitioner, nothing but doctor, and the pharmacist are confined, should be confined on their own fields. That is, the medical practitioner should not possess the medical shop, and the pharmacist should not possess should not diagnose the disease and certain remedies, and the pharmacist having the right to do the first aid in case of any emergency services. Clandestine arrangement. Clandestine meaning is the secret arrangement. No secret arrangement or contact with the physician by offering him some commission or any advantages. Relation with the public. This is the proper link between the physician and the general public. This is done by the advising the pharmaceutical matters to the physician or the doctor, and by educating the educating the general public by from about health and the hygienic conditions. And also the pharmacist should gain the knowledge up to date from the certain generals, and never disclose any information which he attained during his profession to the third person until unless the law says to do so. Pharmacist in relation to his profession. In this, the code of ethical points are professional vigilance, law-abiding citizen, relationship with professional organization, decorum, and the propriety. Going to the professional vigilance, nothing but abiding to the laws of the pharmacy, and also sees the other pharmacists are abiding to the law or not. And the law-abiding citizen. Law-abiding citizen is nothing but having a fair knowledge on the food, drugs, health, and the sanitization. And going to the relationship with the professional organization. It is to attain the scientific knowledge and the cultural well-being, and not to go against to the code of ethics. Decorum and the propriety. This is nothing but decorum means well-being, good behavior, and good dressing sense. In this, the pharmacist should not indulge in anything to against the decorum and the propriety. These are the code of ethics of the pharmacy profession. And if you like my video, please like, share, and comment my channel. Thank you, friends.